Hello, good morning everyone of you present over there. Firstly, I would like to extend a warm welcome of every person, and I would like to thank you, Mr. KD sir, for inviting me and giving me this worthy opportunity to sharing my thought in front of you. This is Manisha again here, and today I'm going to telling you something about burning problems in India. So let's start without wasting time. There are many burning problems in India. That is illiteracy, unemployment, poverty, corruption, malnutrition, pollution, population, basic sanitation, and healthcare system, caste reservation, female safety, and terrorism, and you know very well the list is endless. So firstly I'm talk about illiteracy. What is illiteracy? Illiteracy is the ability of read, write, and gain some knowledge. And you know very well that read and write is a very important and common skills in our modern society. A man who are able to read and write is called literate, and those who are not able to read and write is called illiterate person. And according to the recent data, the literacy rate is 73.18%. Now I am talk about unemployment. What is unemployment? And you know very well that it is not a hide issue. And now I am telling you a basic thing. India had received its freedom in 1947. Since then we are struggling to improve our literacy and employment rate, but these factor not very well now. And now I'm talk about the mean of unemployment means not able to find a job. And you unemployment means not able to find a job, and in short you can say that out of job. And in Feb 2021 the unemployment rate was 6.9. Now I'm talking about poverty means lack of basic and personal things like food, shelter, and clothing. In India 21.9% peoples, and you can say that population living in below the national poverty line. It's a very disgusting and shameful for us. And now I am talk about corruption. What is corruption? The lack of honesty and integrity is called corruption. And you can say in short the misuse of public power is called corruption is eating our society in inner side. And now I am talk about population. The Now I am talk about population. Population is the number of peoples who are live together in same place. Out of world 7 billion peoples are live, and India is represented 17.85% in world's population. Now I am talk about malnutrition. Malnutrition refer to very too less amount of foods and nutrients, and it's a very serious issue cause it's directly affected on our health, and it's create many diseases like heart, lungs, and all. And now I am talk about pollution. There are 13 cities, 13 very popular pollutant cities in the world, and 13 most pollutant cities in the world, and 21 were present in India. 51% pollution is caused by industrial pollution, 21 is caused by vehicle pollution, and 17% is caused by crop burning, and 5% is caused by fireworks. There are many type of the pollution. That is air pollution, voice and sound pollution, radioactive pollution, and water pollution, and all. Now I'm talk about education system. Our education system is blamed every now cause it's being too theoretical, but not practical and skills based. Our teachers say like that or teachers saying like that if you want good score in your final examination, then you focused only theoretical part, not the practical and other technology. and students are study to get only marks, not to gain knowledge. Now I am talk about basic sanitation. You know very well that sanitation is not another problem. It's a very biggest problem in India. There are about 700 million peoples who are not have toilet in our home, and it's a very big problem, and it's causes many numerous disease. Now I am talk about women safety. You know very well that women and the man is play equal role in our society, but the safety is a woman is a very concerning these days. Cause the many social issues that is social violence, kidnapping, raping, and all. Now I am talking about caste reservation. Caste reservation is a very worst problem in India. India had reservation in ST, SC, and OBC, and there are many other problems like infrastructural. In the infrastructure, many problems are like water conservation, roads conditions, and all. And out of these, terrorism in here and all. That's all about burning problems in India. Thanks for watching and listening me. Thank you.